Looking for the best gaming phone for 5K but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 4 best gaming phone for 5K based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 4. Number 4. OnePlus 15R. I've got to say, this phone is a total powerhouse. But what really sets it apart is its insane display, a 165Hz stunner that's a dream come true for anyone who's ever struggled with lag. Whether you're a pro gamer, a content creator, or just someone who loves a seamless experience, this display is a total game changer. With the custom 3200Hz touch response chip, every interaction feels lightning fast, and that's just the beginning. Plus, you get a massive 7400 mAh battery that'll keep up with even the most demanding days, and an IP rating that can shrug off even the toughest conditions. And let's not forget Oxygen OS 16, which is the perfect icing on this already solid cake. It's faster, smoother, and just plain more intuitive. Number 3. Xiaomi Poco X7 Pro Plus LTE RE 6.67-inch 50MP Gamers Phone NFC Dual SIM Unlocked Model 2412 DPC0AG. Now, I know what you'd expect from a typical phone in this category, but this one really stands out, especially when it comes to its display. This phone boasts a stunning 6.67-inch Crystal Retina display with an incredible 1.5K resolution, a super-fast 120Hz refresh rate, and a whopping 480Hz touch sampling rate, making it perfect for gaming and multimedia enthusiasts. It's also got a whopping 700 nits of brightness, 1400 nits peak brightness, and supports Dolby Vision, which is a huge win for those who love watching movies and shows on the go. But what really sets it apart is its impressive 5G connectivity, supporting a wide range of bands, including sub-6G and 4G LTE, making it a great choice for anyone who wants a future-proof phone. Number 2. Nothing Phone Cell Phone. You're trying to capture the perfect sunset moment, but your phone's slow shutter and dim screen are ruining the shot. That's when you get your hands on this powerhouse phone, equipped with a lightning-fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip and a 50MP quad camera system that's a game-changer for photographers, vloggers, and anyone who wants stunning visuals. The AI engine takes your shots to the next level, with features like Ultra XDR 4K video, auto-tone, and night mode making every moment feel like a masterpiece. But it's not just about the camera. The one-touch control system is a genius idea, letting you capture your screen, record voice and ideas, and access your personalized space with AI-powered organization at the touch of a button. And then there's the Glyph interface, which turns your phone into an interactive playground with smart animations and living light experiences that will blow your mind. With a larger and brighter FHD display that's 181% brighter and has 316% faster touch response, this phone is the ultimate high-end smartphone experience. Number 1. FOSSIBOT F1 20000 mAh Rugged Phone Unlocked. I'm impressed by the FOSSIBOT F113's ability to seamlessly blend rugged functionality with high-end smartphone features. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who demands more from your gear, this phone is a solid choice. It's got a 64MP laser night vision camera that can capture stunning images in complete darkness, a 50MP plus 32MP AI main camera for everyday use, and a 120Hz Corning Gorilla Glass display for smooth scrolling and gaming. The 20,000 mAh battery ensures you'll never run out of juice during long hikes or camping trips, and the 33W fast charging gets you back up and running in no time. With a 5G processor and 36GB RAM, this phone can handle demanding tasks with ease. While it doesn't support all carriers, its impressive feature set makes it a great all-around device for anyone who needs a reliable tool for their outdoor adventures. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.